Had a very nice QSO with M0VAC Victor. He's down in the Canary Islands. But this made me think of a point. He was talking about HF, being off HF for 20-something years and getting back on, picking up, I think it was an ID52, and he's got an ICOM 7300, with all the tuners, all that stuff at his house, But the days when I got into the hobby, had an old tube-type radio, old Heathkit HW100. Worst thing I had to do was wait for the radio to warm up. The tubes were kind of forgiving. If I was off on the SWR as a tech plus or whatever I was, working my way up to general, things like that. But, it was just the radio, a pad of paper, pen and pencil, and a cup of coffee off to the side, and working people having fun. There was nothing much to it, just bare bones. I didn't have filters. I didn't have bandwidth. I didn't have the internet. We all did it back then if you were in the hobby back then. But now look at it. Maybe think of this talking to Victor there. I got my ID51A Plus 2. I got my tablet so I can watch my gateway, the dashboard to my hotspot, my some spot 1.3 across the room. And if we're out portable, most guys have a computer, some kind of sound card interface. If the radio doesn't have a built-in sound card interface, and they're lugging along so much equipment and so much gear, whereas before, just a simple radio, a pad of paper, and away you went. But now it's like everybody's become gear hounds, and it just gets more and more sophisticated, and I think sometimes it's distracting, and it takes away from the actual enjoyment of the hobby. Everybody's so consumed with what kind of radio you're on. What do you got to interface with? What kind of antenna? And things like that, Heaven forbid you ever catch anybody that homebrews antenna on HF where they're on their own homebrew antenna or homebrew keyer or something like that. But everything's store-bought, and I guess I'm a glutton of punishment as well, I get old, to get lazy, and I don't know. Times have changed, but is it always for the better? I'll leave you with that question. 7-3, be safe, God bless.